In this video, I will show you how to quickly go anywhere in Excel. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm here on Excel and I've got a document I've created for this tutorial. Now there's a couple of things you can do to actually navigate and get to anywhere in Excel quickly. Of course, this is just a short document, but if you have a really big document, then it can be quite tricky to navigate manually through. So here's a couple of things you can do to navigate quickly. So the first thing you can do is actually come to this box up here in the top left hand corner, and what you can do is put any of these cell references into here. So for example, if I wanted to find a certain location, as you can see, I've got the location column over here, which is C, and say I wanted to find Jacob's location down here, what I would do is simply come up here and type C10. Then hit enter, and as you can see, the cell has directly gone onto C10, so we can see that Jacob is located in Holland. So if I wanted to find the 13th name on my list, you can see the column is the A column. This is all my names. Then what I want to do, if I want to find the 13th name, is again put A, and then I want to put 13 and hit enter, and you'll see again the cell has shifted now to A13, which this person's name is Mike. Now what you can do, you can also use this to find a range of data. So what I mean by this is, for example, if I wanted to find the first 5 names on my list, then what I would do is come up here to the text box and I would put A1, and then the symbol you need to use for range is the colon, which is this symbol here, and then you want to put the next one. So because we're looking for the first 5 names, I'm just going to go ahead and put A6, and then I'm going to hit enter. And you'll see this has highlighted the first 5 names. Of course, I've done A6 because the very first box is the name box, but you can see we got the first 5 names here. So of course, this is a great way to go ahead and find references in your Excel spreadsheet very fast. Now, another way you can do this is to actually use your keyboard. So what you can do is hold down Control on your keyboard and press G. And it's going to bring up the go-to box, which is going to look like this. So again, what you can do is enter the cell value. So if I wanted to find, for example, the location of the name, that is number 12, I would go ahead and enter my value into here. So C is my location column, and then 12, and then press OK. As you can see, once again, the cell has shifted directly to the C12 cell. So we can see this person is Germany. Now again, with this option, so if you hold Control and press G, you can also use this to do the range as well. So for example, if I wanted to find the first 5 locations on my spreadsheet, again, what I would do is put C as that is my location column, and then I would go ahead and put 1. Then I would put the symbol for the range, which is of course the colon, and then we would put C6. Again, go ahead and click OK down here. And once again, as you can see, that has highlighted for me the first 5 locations. So that's a couple of ways you can go about on how to get anywhere quickly in an Excel document. Of course, this is a very, very handy few methods to use if you do have a very, very big Excel document. Instead of scrolling through manually, you can just instantly get anywhere by using those methods. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.